What's up everyone, it's Wolf here, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a video on how to unblock websites on a school Chromebook. By the way, if you got any of the methods, make sure to comment down below and let me know. But before I get started, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any of my latest methods. Also, check out my Discord server and r/SCPWolf if you need help. Link is in the description below. So for this video, I'll be using discord.com as an example since it is blocked, as you can see over here. So for the first step, open Proton. It should be the first link in the description below. Create an account and select Continuous Free. Click Maybe Later for contact details. After that, select Proton VPN and find OpenVPN/IKEv2. Keep it open. For the second step, go to proton.drive. Download the file. Then go to Space Saver and select Choose File and open the folder you just downloaded. And you will see all of these ONC files here. You can choose any one of them. For example, US 349. After that, go back to the page you kept open. Copy the username. Paste it in the username section. Copy the password. Paste it in the password section and click Generate. After that, go to Chrome/Network, choose File, and select the file you just generated. Then go to Chrome/Network/select, select the network you just imported. After that, go back to Discord, and as you can see over here, it is not blocked anymore. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video is helpful. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like down below and check out my Discord server or just comment down below if you have any issues. And I will see you guys next time.